Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making sure your iPhone is unlocked and ready. This avoids interruptions. Open Settings and type Accessibility in the search bar, or tap Siri and search if accessibility isn't visible. Why accessibility? Because voice control is nested there. Siri settings are separate. Once done, locate voice control in the list. Don't tap other voice options. Make sure you have your passcode nearby, since you may need to authenticate to change some controls. Now you're inside accessibility. Find voice control under physical and motor or directly labeled voice control. Tap it to reveal the toggle and command lists. You should see options like set up voice control, customize commands, and language. Understand these so you don't disable something you rely on. Disabling turns off the whole recognition. If you use custom commands, export or note them. Take a breath. This is where the actual disabling happens, so confirm you're in the right panel. Switch the voice control toggle to off and confirm any prompts. This stops local voice recognition immediately. Make sure to test by saying a common command. If nothing happens, you're done. If voice control still responds, restart the iPhone to clear cached services. As a final troubleshooting step, go to Settings, General Reset All Settings. This preserves data but restores default settings, which can fix stubborn voice control persistence. If issues
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.